Alrighty guys, we're back with another video. Today we're going to be installing a def delete kit. There's Omar just showed up. And we're going to be doing it on a 2021 Dodge 2500. So we are going to be doing the tune first, and to start it off we have to start with the tune. To do the tune, we're going to have to do a bypass which came with the kit. So everything was bought through Explosive Diesels, and it was Ezlink. We're gonna put down the kit that we got for this truck down below, and we can go from there. So these are just some other the parts. These are the plates. Wow, good quality. All pretty thick. And we got some other piping. We will show you once we start putting them apart. And the good thing about them, they're all labeled. And it's kind of hard to mess up. What else? We got more plates. We got a bigger one. And then we have some more in the back. So we have all the piping in here, which we're about to take out. And then he ended up buying also the cold air intake. So we're going to go ahead and install that one too. So like I was telling y'all, this is the bypass that came with the kit. This is going to be attached to your OBD2 port in there. And then the Ezlink will be attached here. So let's get the tuning first, and then we'll start taking parts. All right, so you gotta remove this little part. You go something like this. One of the parts that we showed you over there is gonna get drilled right here. We'll show you on a bit. All right, this is installing.
Switch on the fly.
The switch on the fly.
No, that's the one that you showed.
Oh.
This right here is that bypass cable.
And it's connected.
It's the fifth hole from the. Can you get it now? Yeah. There's that black one right there.
Yeah, I can see it pretty good. Now that we installed the tune, it's good to go, and now we're going to start pulling off the exhaust. Alright, so the bolts we're removing, they are 16 mils. They're right here. And there's, how many is there so far? Four here, and then we got to go all the way over here.
You have a 3/8 extension in that bag?
Remove these. I believe this is a 13.
I think I have a couple in there.
And just loosen these up. And then we got to also remove all the other sensors that are over there.
I don't need it that big.
Alrighty, so we're removing this one. Now we got to remove this one. Okay, I think I see it. Boy. What you doing? Alright.
Pull that. That's nice.
See if you can separate it.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Oh, okay. So now that we pulled off all these plugs, removed all these, there's a little red tab. You have to go from under here, and it'll be right here. And you just clip it, and then it'll come out.
We got like a hammer.
Okay, hold on. Kadoki, just pull this red tab off, and this is part of the bigger side of the def. It's the one right there. Like we said, this is already loose. We gotta remove this clamp, and then it should be good to all of it come out. Where's that big one, yo? What we have so far. We have already removed. Everything's loose. We're just waiting on Omar over here. When did you remove Omar?
2 bolts for this, for these, whatever these things are, bushings.
Alright. Oh, there's another one on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got 2 more bushing mounts, or exhaust mounts. Exhaust mounts, yes. Let's see. V-bent out the way. Already removed mine. And Dylan's working up top. Okay. Also, once you remove this a little bit out the way, there's 2 more connectors up here. Just remove them. There's this little clip right there. And then these are pretty easy to get out. And then you want to unclip those right there. Alright guys, so now that we pulled them off, Edu helped us put this part on. We got the bands. We have this, and it should be straightforward inside. Let's do this. Everything's back on, snug. All the exhaust clamps are back on.
There should be a little pit, like higher.
All the way down. Now we're just gonna clean up the old wiring. Probably gonna zip tie it and make sure everything's out the way from weather. Plates are installed. Brackets is installed. What you working on now?
Block off plate for some.
Able to there, we used a hanger to fish it through, and yeah. So this one's gonna go right here, and we're gonna drill a hole in the plastic, wherever it's at. Okay. Alrighty, so now we're doing the filter or the intake, cold air intake. We got the pipings out. Another coupler goes from the turbo into here, and then yeah, there's some other accessories with it. Tells you the different type of things, products for you, and yeah. So let's start pulling all of these seals, unpacking them, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we're going to be now installing a switch on the fly connector. You want to make sure I'm horizontal, and they're labeled for you. So red, black, and then the white's going to be next. You're going to hear some clicks. And then you pull back, make sure it's good. There goes same to the white. Do the same thing, make sure it's horizontal, laying down, acostado. There we go. And then you just press this in. There we go. Now that it's in, I use this. You heard it click. Now we're just gonna snug it back there and make it look as clean as possible.
So to connect that switch on the fly, we're gonna pop this black thing off. Just like that. Pull this pin, this red pin back. Push on it. And then disconnect it and then connect this switch over here, which is your switch on the fly. Connect it there.
Now after we finished, now let's make sure everything's on good. What the? Alright guys, today, or